Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
This video is about a common mistake that I want you to avoid. Some of us do not like clutter, and I can relate. When videos don't get views, it seems like a good idea to delete them. There's no need to clutter our channel with videos that are not performing, right? Give your poor performing videos at least a few weeks to a month before deleting them. Whoa, a common mistake is to delete videos too soon. This is an example of a video that got almost no views for the first week, and in the last 24 hours, it got 382 views, as well as a new subscriber. Give the search engines enough time to find the right audience for your videos. So do not delete your poor performing videos right away.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.